How to fix blurry story on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Peep Investment, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix blurry story on Facebook. Now suppose you are uploading a story on Facebook, and every time you upload a story, then the media quality, the image or the video that you upload becomes blurry and the quality gets low. Now here is how you can fix it. Simply open up your Facebook application, tap on the 3 line icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then head into settings that you can see right under it. Once you tap on settings here, you want to scroll down a bit below until you find the option media. You'll get it under the preferences. You can see preferences, under it the media option. You want to tap on it, and under it you can see the very first option, video quality. It says manage your default video quality and the amount of mobile data that you use with the following. Now if this is set to data saver, then you can see it says use up to 40% less data by reducing video quality. This will basically reduce your video or image quality in order to save your data while you upload any media. So what you want to do is you want to set this to optimized. So once you do so, it'll fix the issue. So this way you can fix blurry story on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.